Hello, if you want to get rid of the app mall on Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus 5G, here's what you can do in order to try to get rid of it. So the first thing that we can do is go to the settings. In the settings, go to fingerprints, face data and screen lock, and go to authorization and revocation. And here you want to disable GetApps. So right now I just granted the authorization back, but in your case you want to tap on it in order to disable it, and you will need to wait 10 seconds before you can use this revoke button. And after that we can press revoke, and there we go. Now the next thing that we can do is download a third-party app that allows us to do some things with the app. So let's go to the Play Store and let's search for hidden settings. There we go. And this is the app that I'm about to use, so you can download it as well. It's completely free. And let's open it. Now over here you want to go to manage applications. Here we need to find GetApps, and let's go here, tap on the more at the bottom, and then we want to uninstall updates. There we go. After that, let's go back, and the next step is go to the system apps updater in the same place, and over here we also want to tap more and uninstall updates. There we go. And if this didn't help, you can still see the app mall. Then what you can also do is go to the settings, and in additional settings you can go to region, and you need to simply switch to a region where the app is still not available. So an example of that is United States. So if you switch to United States, the app should be gone. So now if you go back, there we go, the app mall is gone, and there is nothing like GetApps or something like that as well. You might be able to find it in the apps list. So you can go to manage apps in order to check if it is still there, but it seems to be gone as well. So this is also one of the ways to get rid of the app mall. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!